Discord is giving away another Orbs. Before we start, enable the VPN and change the location to the US. I'm using Urban VPN here. The first quest is from Supercard. Unlock 1.2 times means if you have Nitro, you can claim 240 Orbs instead of 200 Orbs. It's just 1.2 times more than the actual number. Now to skip the quest, go to Video Player and drag the frame to the end of the video. So a lot of people are wondering if this is safe to do. And I'm here to tell you, yeah, it's way safer than trying those sketchy scripts or hacks you see on random YouTube channels to skip quests. Trust me, those methods are more likely to get your Discord account hacked. This is the safer bet. So there we have it. We have received 400 Orbs in total. I know Discord has been giving fewer Orbs lately, and even I can't do much about it. We just gotta take whatever we get. It's better than nothing. All the Orbs quests links will be available on this video's description. So make sure to find it there. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. So yeah, and join my server. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button too for regular updates.